How are you, my dear viewers? I think you are well. Welcome to LR English Window YouTube channel. I'm Luthraman, Assistant Teacher, Rasulpur BN High School, Tangal Sudut Tangal. Today, I'm going to take a class on reading text. By listening this text, you can develop your reading skills and make your pronunciations perfect. If this video is interesting to you, please subscribe it, keep a like and a comment on it. Before reading the text, please pronounce some words with me. First word, much, much, much. Day, not day, 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 day. Celebrated, celebrated, not celebrated, celebrated, celebrated. With, not with, with, with. President, president, not president, president, president. Educational, educational, not educational, educational, educational. Homage, homage, not homage, homage, homage. Also, also, not also, also, also. Go, not go, go, go. Mausoleum, not museum, mausoleum, mausoleum. Struggle, struggle, struggle. Okay, dear viewers, let's start reading the text now. 26 March, so Independence Day, is the biggest state festival. The day is celebrated every in the country with great enthusiasm and fervor. It's a national holiday. All offices, educational institutions, shops and factories remain closed on this day. The day begins with a 31-gun salute. Early in the morning, the President and the Prime Minister on behalf of the nation place floral wreaths at the National Mausoleum at Savar. Then other leaders, political parties, diplomats, social and cultural organizations, educational institutions, and freedom fighters pay homage to the martyrs. People from all walks of life also go there in rallies and processions. There are many cultural programs throughout the day highlighting the heroic struggle and sacrifice in 1971.